The fifth season is the first book in the Broken Earth trilogy, written by N.K. Jemisin and published in 2015. It is a work of epic fantasy set in a world plagued by catastrophic geological events known as fifth seasons. In this world, known as the Stillness, seismic activity is a constant threat, causing periodic cataclysms that can lead to widespread destruction and loss of life. The story primarily follows three female protagonists, Essen, Domaya, and Cyanite, each with their own narrative arcs. Essen, a middle-aged woman living in a small village, discovers that her husband has murdered their young son and kidnapped their daughter. Determined to find and protect her daughter, Essen embarks on a journey through a fractured and unstable landscape, navigating both physical dangers and societal challenges. Domaya, a young girl with the power of orogeny, the ability to manipulate geological forces, is taken from her family and sent to the Fulcrum, a training academy for orogens. There, she learns to harness and control her powers under the watchful eye of the Guardians, who serve as enforcers of the ruling empire. Cyanite, a talented orogene assigned to a mission, finds herself partnered with a powerful and enigmatic Ten-Ringer named Alabaster. As they travel together, Cyanite becomes entangled in a web of political intrigue, facing dangerous encounters and confronting the oppressive systems that govern her world. The fifth season explores themes of power, oppression, and the consequences of environmental exploitation. It examines the effects of systemic inequality and discrimination, particularly in the treatment of orogens, who are both feared and exploited for their abilities. Jemisin's world-building in the novel is rich and immersive, presenting a complex and intricately crafted society. The narrative unfolds through multiple perspectives and incorporates elements of mystery, magic, and political intrigue. The book received critical acclaim and was awarded the Hugo Award for Best Novel in 2016, making Jemisin the first Black author to win this prestigious award. It is lauded for its originality, vivid storytelling, and exploration of timely social issues. Overall, the fifth season is a compelling and intricately woven tale of survival, power, and resilience. It introduces readers to a unique and immersive fantasy world while addressing themes that resonate with contemporary societal challenges.